Welcome back, my people. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn some free USDT on Trust Wallet. So as you all know, I'll be showing you how to earn money using your Binance and sometimes now on this channel. For those of you who've not been following me, you can go back to my channel. If I come to my channel here, you're going to see some earning tips that I've been sharing with you, and some of you that have tried this can attest to the fact that some of this stuff are working. So in one of my videos here, I've shown you how to earn some free USDT on Binance. Now, for those of you who've carried out this test, you're going to notice that you're going to be having some kind of good amount of money to invest in it to get good ROI on a daily basis. So in this video, I'm going to show you another method to earn some free USDT using the Trust Wallet. For those of you that are coming to my channel for the first time, this is Earning GPT, and if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure to hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload content, you're going to be notified. All right, so let's go straight to the video and let me show you how you can actually make money from Trust Wallet using the earning feature on Trust Wallet. So if I come to Trust Wallet here, you're going to see a lot of options here. You're going to see something like send, you're going to see receive, you're going to see buy, and you're going to see earn. Now, what we're going to be using here is the earn feature here on Trust Wallet. So if you don't have a Trust Wallet, you can just go to your app store and then download Trust Wallet, create an account, and then follow my simple step here if you want to make money online using this method. So what you want to do here, if after you sign up on Trust Wallet, what you want to do is to come to where it says earn here. So if you come here, you're going to see a lot of coins here. You're going to see a lot of tokens where you can actually earn some little commission when you actually put your money and invest in it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the BNB and earn some of. But before then, let me quickly show you how I've actually done this, and I'm going to show you my result, the previous earning that I got here. So I'm going to come back here and then click on TRX because I got this from TRX. And when I scroll down, you're going to see where it says claim reward here, and you can see that I've actually claimed my reward here. I got some TRX using the same method. So if you want to earn some free commission using this method as well, and also get to claim yours, make sure you don't skip any part of this video and follow my tutorial to the end of this video. So I still have some stake here on my TRX. If I click on TRX here, you're going to see that my investment is still running here, and you can see it's already telling me to unstake. Right, it's telling me to unstake, and you can see here, some part is still frozen here because I'm still doing this, and this is going to be locked in the next 14 days. So I'm going to be earning some percentage of what I've invested here in the next 14 days. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Now let me use BNB to show you how to do this. So I'm just going to come here and click on BNB. You can click on any other coin if you have any other coin like TRX, SO, and the rest here. But let me show you how to do this really quick. So I'm going to click on BNB here because I've actually used TRX before. So let me use BNB here to show you how it works. So when I click on BNB, it's going to load up like this, and when it load up, because I have some little coins here, it's going to take me to this page, and you can see the lock time is going to be under 7 days. All right, and this one we're going to be having up to 3.89% ROI when we stake some coin here. So the next thing we want to do is to come here and click on stake, and we're going to bring you to this page where you can choose the amount of coin you're going to stake. And let me take, for example, I just want to stake 100 BNB. You can see it's telling me not enough balance because I don't have much balance here. But as I mean, I have balance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue, and I'm just going to stake this in the next 7 days, and I'm going to be earning some ROI in the next 7 days. So guys, this is how to earn some free coin and free USDT, TRX, BNB on Trust Wallet using the earning method. I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you try it, and also let me know in the comment section if you try this to also motivate others to get to test this. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. This video go viral. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.